How to make a travel itinerary on BlueGPT. So as you can see, we have in here this best vacation destination, which can help you with this case. So for example, you can say something like make a blank day travel itinerary. So this day right here depends on you. And here is my destination. Japan is my destination, and I'm coming from Cebu, which is in the Philippines. And I actually asked them to include the prices, where I can book those activities, and the timestamps each day. I'll head over and send this to them. And as you can see, this will actually make in here this day one itinerary as well as this case. So for example, let's head over right here to the day one. We have in here departure from Cebu to Tokyo. So as you can see, they have in here the flight information. They will provide you the airlines and also the price right here. So the price is around 8,000 to 12,000, and then the booking will be Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines. So the time of departure will be 6 a.m. and you can arrive at Tokyo at 11 a.m. They also have some booking tips, estimated cost, accommodation, which is actually good for 10 nights, food, transportation, and we have in here the estimated cost. So in here, they have some tips for book early using booking platforms like booking.com or Agoda. Booking.com is also applicable. And you can also consider getting a Japan Rail Pass or JR Pass if you want to travel extensively by train. You can also in here get from Osaka to Cebu. And as you can see, they actually show you to explore other parts of Japan, like Osaka, Universal Studios, and also in here is some Nara, Kyoto, and not only Kyoto, but also as well Nikko and Tokyo. So you can head over and use that. So that's how you make a travel itinerary and do GP. Hope we help.